Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an often overlooked aspect of our appearance, our hands. They work hard and deserve a little extra care to keep them looking youthful. In this video, we'll share 5 simple yet powerful ways to make your hands look younger and more vibrant. Let's get started. Tip 1. Moisturize regularly. The first step to younger looking hands is proper moisturization. Our hands are exposed to the elements and constant washing, which can strip away their natural oils. Choose a nourishing hand cream with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and shea butter. Apply it after washing your hands and before bedtime to lock in moisture. Tip 2. Sun protection. Just like your face, your hands need protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Sun exposure can lead to age spots, wrinkles, and overall skin damage. Remember to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to your hands whenever you're heading outdoors. This small step can make a big difference in keeping your hands looking young. Tip 3. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing fresher skin beneath. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub specifically designed for hands. This helps to improve the texture and tone of your hands, making them appear smoother and more youthful. Aim to exfoliate once or twice a week for best results. Tip 4. Hydrating masks. Pamper your hands with hydrating masks, just like you do for your face. Look for masks containing ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, and honey. Apply the mask, leave it on for the recommended time, and then rinse. This deep hydration can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and restore a youthful suppleness to your hands. Tip 5. Healthy lifestyle choices. Your lifestyle plays a crucial role in the appearance of your hands. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients promote healthy skin from the inside out. Also, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as they can accelerate the aging process. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 simple ways to make your hands look younger and more beautiful. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your hands. Incorporate these tips into your routine and enjoy the transformation. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and skincare advice. Thanks for watching. Stay youthful, and we'll see you in the next video.